So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making African black soap shampoo. So this is the black soap. So first of all, you need to get a jar. Then you cut the black soap into smaller shavings. Cutting it into smaller shavings would help it dissolve quickly. And most importantly, you need a jar because we're going to add hot water to it. So if you are using a plastic container, it's going to melt it. So that's why by using a jar for this. Pardon me, I meant warm water. So you add the quantity of water to the desired consistency you want. If you want the soap to be very thick or light, depends on you. You add the quantity or the amount of water that you need. So this is the benefit of black soap. So I'm going to be adding oil. So yeah, I just use only one oil, carrot oil. You can add several oils depending on your own option or what you have. You can add coconut oil, olive oil. But I decided to use just one oil, which is carrot oil. You stir the solution. So you allow it to sit for 1 to 2 hours for the soap savings to dissolve, and stir occasionally within those hours. You have to stir it so that to dissolve faster for you. So this was like after an hour, I opened it up again to stir. You see the solution, it's already having that consistency of a shampoo already. But some of the soap shavings have not dissolved yet, as you can see. So this is after 2 hours. So I got my application bottle. So this is where I'm going to store the shampoo, and the application bottle will make it easy for me to use to wash my hair. So just pour it into the container. So this is soap. So I decided to use to wash my hair so you guys could see how the shampoo is like. Now if I didn't tell you that I made the shampoo myself, maybe you see me washing my hair, you won't know that this is shampoo I actually made myself. You see how it was really lathering very well. So this is where I rinsed out my hair. After rinsing out my hair, I followed it up with my conditioner. So this is all guys. So please, if you watch this video to the end, please ensure you subscribe and give this video a like. So stay tuned for more. Thank you so much. Bye.